Following on from the previous example where we looked at an if statement, where we looked to see if an evaluation was true, and from there we decide if it was true that we would execute any of the statements that were in between the curly braces of the if statement. We can also add in an else clause underneath that. And what the else clause does is that we can put in any number of statements in between the curly braces of the else clause, that this will take over in the case where the evaluation returns false. So this is a situation where we have, if something is true, execute the items in the if clause, otherwise execute something that's down here. So in this example, I'm just going to echo out the string just another month. And let's run this in our browser and see the effect that it has. Taking note that the month at the moment is set as March. And running that PHP file, I can see that because the evaluation or condition returned false, I get the statement that was in the else clause executed. And just to show you what happens if I get a true, in this case the month will be equal to January, so that will return a true, and I'll get Happy New Year instead. So let's save that and refresh, and I get Happy New Year. And so with an if-else statement, I get if something is true, run a certain set of statements, otherwise do something else.